What's up guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you today another makeup tutorial again for you today, and this one is going to be about lips. I'm going to show you in the next few minutes how to have a naturally bigger looking lips. So first off, I have used some sort of, just some sort of lip balm, and now I'm going to wipe it off to have a nice surface to start on. Then I will show you what to do. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start speaking to you from far away. So you start by putting a foundation on your lips, and you use the blender to blend it all in, and this part is super important. Look what I do. Did you see that? This little small shadow under your lips does wonders. I mean, I cannot emphasize on how important that is and what a long way that goes. Just look, I did not even use anything yet, and just because of putting this shadow under and above my lip already looks much bigger. Be careful that you need to fade away this shadow as much as possible so it will not look like dirty. And then you start outlining your lip with a white or very, very bright color, but it should not have any glitter on it. It should be completely matte, and it should be also a bit outside of your actual lip. So at this stage I can use any sort of lip balm and just finish it here, but no, I'm going to actually use some colors. So I will use something that is very similar to my own natural lip color. You can also do it with a darker color, or you can also use the red color, but I prefer to go with this for this time. And then you use your favorite lipstick and you just fill in the lips. I also used a more darker color, rather red one, and you need to use it around the lip and leave the middle space, or middle part of the lip, to be brighter. It can actually give the illusion that your lips is bigger and it has more depth. Okay. And the last stage is that you go in with this little beautiful ball of lip gloss and seal everything in. Please let me know how it turns out for you, and let me know if it actually worked for you and made your lips look bigger. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So I filmed it for you under the light, and you can see how much bigger my lips actually look like. It would work very well with red lipsticks as well. Please try it and write me in the comments if it works for you. So this is how my lips looked like before, and this is after. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it has been fun for you to watch, because it was very fun for me to do it. And don't forget to subscribe and press the like button if you're still with this video. Have a good day. Bye.